In this video, I'll show you how to do on your Vizio TV so that every time you turn it on, a specific input, could be HDMI 1, your antenna, or any other things like a PS5, becomes the default input. So you don't have to go through the menus to select it every time. It opens right away. So to do so, take your remote control and we're gonna press the settings button. This cogwheel right over here. Then go all the way down until you select all settings. And from here, we simply need to select system. Then go down and then over here, input at power on. This is what we need to select. So press the middle button. And over here, you're gonna have all your inputs you can select. Now here you do not see HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or even an antenna. Why is that? It's simply because I don't have any of these connected to the TV. So obviously it's not showing me that these even exist. But if you have connected something using HDMI in the past, or even now it's something is connected, you're gonna see all the inputs over here. So you can select your device this way. Even if you have an antenna, you're gonna see the option right over here. So simply select it, and once you're done, exit, and this is it. You can turn off your TV, power it back on, and it will always go on that specific input. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.